Hello everyone. Today, I'd like to introduce a no-mess hand-free sweeper. Flat mop that can hold used wet wipes, dry wipes, or old towels. It's very easy to use, just push to open the mop head and press to clamp the wipes or towels. Convenient for cleaning floors and windows. After use, a gentle push releases the dirty wipes into the trash, keeping your hands clean. ZOSY Mop Factory currently offers two styles of clip mops, each available in 2 sizes. The mop head's plate come in soft and hard options, and the handles can be made of stainless, steel or painted iron. Customization is available for bulk orders. Cleaning product and furniture importers are welcome to inquire for pricing. PM now if interested.